Okay, so let's look at these common mistakes. So it is one thing to make mistakes when speaking. As you're talking on the nose, talking live in person, it's one thing to make mistakes. You say this word rather than that word. Okay, you can correct yourself instantly. But another when writing. Because when you're writing, you have a chance to review what you just wrote. Edit it easily. Change this, change that, add this, take away that. You can go back and edit before you submit or send something. So, okay, worth understanding that. So, the more you understand the language, the more you understand it, the better you should be, naturally, and the fewer mistakes you make. So, the more mistakes you can learn from others, the better you are as a whole. Okay, important, fundamental stuff. Therefore, there is no real excuse for making written mistakes as you get better in English. So written mistakes, because you can go back and edit, and the more you understand about mistakes, which word to use, misspellings, confused words, the better your writing is. So naturally, the more you learn about English, the better you can communicate in it. Of course, makes sense. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Yeah. Let's keep exploring.